Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Assignment 1 discussions. Bangladesh and Global Studies, Assignment 1 discussions. So let's see our today's class. Date 22/02/22, term half yearly, class 6, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, topic Assignment 1 discussions, Lecture-03, teacher Ariful Islam, and this is my mobile number. So dear students, let's see our today's assignment. As you can see, class 6, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, Assignment 1, and this is your assignment. Chapter title of assignment, you will do the assignment, Chapter 1, History of Bangladesh. Your assignment is the causes for Bengalis fighting for liberation war and racist movement. And for this, my dear students, you will go to your book, this is your book, and you will take the help from Chapter 1, History of Bangladesh, Lesson 1 and 2. You will take help from lesson 1 and 2 from these two pages. Okay, background of the liberation war and brutal massacre by the invading Pakistani army and our victory. You will take help from lesson 1 and 2. So for doing the assignment, dear students, you will take the help chapter 1, History of Bangladesh, lesson 1 and 2, Liberation War of Bangladesh. So let's see what you will do. Another things, learning outcome and content. Explain the causes of Bengalis fighting for life in the liberation war, and describe the Bengalis resist in the liberation war. And guideline for writing assignment steps, stages, signs. Assignment should be completed by following the steps below. The introduction should be written in the light of the subject of the report. Number 2, explain the causes of Bengalis fighting for life in the liberation war. Explain the ways of racist movement. Okay, so the direction of preparation assignment, steps, parameters, perimeter, and signal. So instruction, number 1, introduction. You will have to write the introduction first. So dimension of performance marks. You will get 2, present the introduction properly. Incomplete presentation of the introduction, you will get 1. Number 2, explain the reason. And remember, this is very important, you will have present 4 reasons properly. If you present 4 reasons properly, you will get 4. If you present 3 reasons, you will get 3. If you present 2 reasons, you will get 2. If you present 1 reasons, you will get 1. And unable to write a relevant reason, you will get 0. Number 3, explain the ways of resist. If you explain the 4 ways of resist, you will get 4. If you explain 3 ways of resist, you will get 3. If you explain the 2 ways of resist, you will get 2. If you explain the 1 ways of resist, you will get 1. Write irrelevant answers, you will get 0. So dear students, your assignment submission date is 26/02/02. Let me show you the cover page. This is the cover page of the assignment. You will write assignment number 1 in the cover page, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, topic. In place of topic, you will write chapter 1, History of Bangladesh. I'm reading again. In place of topic, you will write chapter 1, History of Bangladesh. You will write your name, class, section, role, shift, and please write the assigned submission date 26/02/2022. So dear students, let me show you how you start your assignment in your copy. In the assignment paper, how you will write, start. First, you will write the title of the assignment, topic of the assignment. The causes for Bengalis fighting for liberation war and resist movement. Okay, resist, there is resist movement. Okay, so first you will have to write the causes for Bengalis fighting for liberation war and resist movement. Second, you will start the answer like this, answer, then you will write the introduction first. Introduction, write the introduction first, then explain. Then again write a para like this, write a topic, write a headline like this: the causes for Bengalis fighting for liberation war. Write the headline, give underline and describe. You have to write at least 4 causes for Bengalis fighting for liberation war, as I have said before, at least 4 causes. Then write the heading again, headline again, the ways of resist, give underline and write at least 4 ways of resist. Then conclusion, and please give a conclusion of this. You will write conclusion, and if you do not write conclusions, give a para and conclude your assignment. So dear students, this is your assignment. This is your assignment process. You'll have to write the assignment following these rules. Okay, so thanks for watching this class, my dear students. Do your assignment at home and submit on Saturday 26/02/2022. Also, thanks for watching this class again. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.